Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change any YouTube Shorts thumbnail. Let's get started. If you are having problems changing the thumbnail of YouTube Shorts, I'm going to show you a solution for that. So, I have my shorts here. If I click the edit button on this one, scroll down, then it says that you can use the mobile app to change the thumbnail, but if I switch to my mobile and open the YouTube Studio app, let's try to change the thumbnail on this one. Click on the 3 horizontal line at the top of the screen, and as you can see there's no option to change the thumbnail because the solution to this is not available in the YouTube Studio app, but instead you need to open your regular the YouTube app. Click on profile icon, click on view channel, go to the Shorts tab. Now click on these 3 dots, click on edit, and now you can see this edit button on the thumbnail here. You can tap and drag this rectangle to select any frame within the video. Click on the check mark, click on save, and as you can see the thumbnail is now updated. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.